Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
Try to pull in a controlled manner when removing the housing from the vehicle.
Disconnect the bulb housing.
We want to kind of pull this tab up as we pull off on the connector like so.
Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
You may need to wiggle the housing while you push to get it back in position. If you're having trouble, try inserting it at an alternate angle.
Replace the Torx bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.